Hey guys, we are Dinê. We want to say thank you for all the support that you have given us worldwide. You liked our music, so we appreciate the help. Thank you a lot. Thank you guys.
The support has been fantastic, man. From the radio stations to the TV stations that's been willing to play this form of new musicality. We really appreciate it. So we just want to say thanks and just keep on following it because we got some really huge things going on. So.
سلاوین گرم پشتگیریا ما گلک هاتا کرین دوایا جهانی ریز و سلاو و ما هاتین همجی ریز و سلاوین خواه جوا تورات شنین و سوزید دنوا کچتین گلکی باش جوارا پیشکش بکن نیزیک ندو سلاف.
Many people are asking about our single and material and album stuff, and we can say that we are working on an album and we are working on a new single, so just keep on following us, man. Guys, thank you. Bye.
Bye.